How are basketballs made? Have you ever wondered how basketballs are made? Basketballs, like volleyballs and medicine balls, are specialized rubber balls designed for optimal performance in the sport of basketball. Although the materials have evolved, the basic design of the basketball has remained relatively constant. This detailed guide explores the development and design processes involved in creating a basketball. The manufacturing of a basketball can be divided into 4 main phases. Each phase is crucial to ensure the basketball performs optimally. These phases are creating the inner bladder, shaping the interior of the basketball, making the cover of the ball, final testing, and analysis. Phase 1. Creating the inner bladder. The inner bladder forms the core of the basketball. It is made from black butyl rubber, which is known for its excellent air retention properties, providing the necessary bounce for the ball. The butyl rubber is melted and molded into flat panels. These panels are then joined to form the shape of a basketball. This step requires precision to ensure the bladder is seamless and can hold air without leaking. Air filler installation. A 1-inch hole is pierced into the bladder to install the air filler tube. This tube will be crucial for inflating the basketball to the desired pressure. Inflation and testing. The inner bladder is inflated and left for 24 hours to ensure it holds air properly and maintains its shape. This step is essential to verify the bladder's integrity and air retention capacity. If the bladder loses air during this period, it is discarded and not used in further production. Phase 2. Shaping the interior of the basketball. The initial shape of the inner bladder is imperfect, requiring further refinement. Thread wrapping. The bladder is wrapped with polyester or nylon threads using a machine. This step helps shape the bladder into a perfect sphere and prevents deformation. The threads also add an extra layer of strength to the bladder, ensuring it can withstand the impacts and pressures of the game. Thread types. Polyester threads are typically used for street basketballs, which are exposed to rougher surfaces and conditions. Nylon threads are preferred for professional basketballs due to their superior durability and strength, providing a more consistent performance. Layering process. The bladder is carefully layered with these threads in a crisscross pattern. This intricate layering process ensures that the ball maintains its shape and improves its overall resilience and bounce characteristics. Phase 3. Making the cover of the basketball. The outer cover of the basketball can be made from various materials, including high-quality leather, synthetic rubber, or regular rubber. Material preparation. The chosen material is cut into 6 separate panels. The panels must be cut with precision to ensure they fit together perfectly when assembled around the bladder. Leather. High-quality basketballs use leather, which is stitched together around the ball. Leather provides an excellent grip and a premium feel, making it the preferred choice for professional and indoor basketballs. Rubber. Synthetic or regular rubber panels are glued onto the ball. Rubber covers are more durable and water-resistant, making them suitable for outdoor use. Stitching and gluing. For leather basketballs, the panels are stitched together using durable threads, ensuring they are securely fastened. For rubber basketballs, a strong adhesive is used to glue the panels onto the bladder. Customization. If customization is required, decals or graphics are applied at this stage. These are typically added using adhesive stickers. Custom designs can include logos, branding, and other graphics that personalize the basketball. Decal application. The designs are pressed onto the ball, ensuring they adhere properly before the stickers are removed, leaving the graphic in place. This process requires precision to avoid bubbles and ensure the graphic is smooth and properly aligned. Phase 4. Final testing and analysis. The final phase ensures the basketball meets all necessary standards and is ready for commercial use. Bounce test. The ball is dropped from a height of 72 inches. It must bounce back to a height between 52 and 56 inches to pass. This test ensures the ball has the proper elasticity and air pressure. Detail inspection. Decals, graphics, and any glue residues are checked and cleaned up. Inspectors ensure that the ball's surface is smooth, the graph ICs are clear, and there are no visible defects. Weight and size measurement. The basketball is measured to ensure it meets the standard size and weight regulations. Professional basketballs must adhere to strict guidelines for diameter and weight. Durability testing. Some balls undergo additional durability testing, including exposure to extreme temperatures and repeated impact testing to ensure they can withstand various playing conditions. Packaging. The approved basketballs are then packaged in plastic bags or cardboard boxes and shipped to distributors. Packaging also involves labeling the product with necessary information, including the brand, model, and usage instructions. The process of making a basketball is intricate and involves several key steps to ensure the final product meets the required standards of performance and quality. From creating the inner bladder to the final testing phase, each step is crucial in producing a basketball that is both durable and functional. The blend of traditional techniques and modern materials ensures that basketballs continue to perform at the highest levels, whether on a professional court or a neighborhood playground. The manufacturing process reflects the evolution of the sport itself, adapting to new technologies and materials to provide players with the best possible equipment. Whether you are a professional athlete or a casual player, understanding the effort and precision that goes into making a basketball can enhance your appreciation for the game.
That's all the information that we have for you today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future episodes. And be sure to also tell us what you think about today's content. Everyone's support motivates us to continue delivering quality content and to always improve. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.